Look at that spray. Oh, yo. First thing that I noticed right off the bat is the tea. That Chinese black tea is like, bow! What's going on, fam? Welcome back to Richie's Frag Collection. Here where we talk about the latest fragrances, my collection, and we're also going to talk about my journey on truly understanding this fragrance world. Now, if you want to go on that journey with me as well, hit that subscribe button, like button, and comment down below so we can talk about these latest fragrances. Now, roll that footage. Marwa. I've been feeling for this fragrance here. Yes. Backstory. I talked to my boy C, and he tells me that he has never wear a different fragrance brand other than Louis Vuitton. I was like, word? He was like, word. So I was like, damn, I need to find out what Louis Vuitton smell like. And of course, Louis Vuitton, you already know that price tag is expensive. So, we gotta hit them streets, them internet streets, find out where the Middle Easterns at that got my boy Louis Vuitton down. Cause I hear Louis Vuitton likes to do little things where you can't get their formula down. But I heard somebody got it. Yup, they said that Marwa got it. Marwa got that fragrance down packed. Best Middle Eastern fragrance inspired / clone fragrance on the market. So you know me, I had to pull the trigger. Bam! Let me get that. Because I can't get that Louis Vuitton just yet. I need the budget version. And I heard, and usually what the good thing is, if you get a good Middle Eastern dupe, clone, whatever you want to call it, to the OG, if you get a good one, they usually perform a little better, a little stronger, last a little longer. So we're hoping that Marwa lives up to the hype. Because I need something for the summer. Like walking down the boardwalk, down the beach, on the boat trips. I need something that's gonna set me apart. Because you know me, I don't like to smell like y'all. No. And I'm pretty sure you don't want to smell like me either. If we both on the same boat trip, we both don't want to smell together. We don't want to smell the same thing. Now, this is why you gotta listen to your boy Blue, so I can give you those exclusive difference makers. And from what I hear, Marwa is that one. So, but we're gonna find out though. We're gonna find out if it lives up to the hype. Because I needed to fill that slot. Because if you can lift that heavy lifting, it's a 100 ml bottle. And that'll last me for the summer. Plus with my other fragrances, that's why I gotta have a collection. Because you only get one, you bang that out, and when summer's over, your fragrance is gonna be over. So that's why you gotta get a little collection. So you can get one here, on Monday, this was on Tuesday, you got your Friday specials. But hey gang, you know what we about to do. Let's get it. Bam! Marwa. This smells amazing, gang. Like soon as you hit that boom, you get hit with that tea. Oh my. Gang. This is daily driver for the summer? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This fragrance here. Oh, gang, look at that. You can smell the tea. Soon the tea automatic right off the top. Does it live up to the hype? Honestly, I don't know. I've never smelled Louis Vuitton Imagination. But does it scratch your itch, Richie Blue? Yes, it does. Oh, well worth the purchase. Rejection seems like it's gonna be on point. It's gonna be lovely. What am I smelling here? See, I'm trying to train my nose here. I'm trying to get there where I can pick up all the notes, like bam, 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 bam. That's what's in there. That's what I'm getting. I just know I can smell the tea, and the tea smells good. At one point, I thought I was on Lipton. You know, the Lipton. Oh gosh, this is amazing. I love it. This is gonna be perfect for those beach trips, being on the boat, walking down the boardwalk. Oh, okay. Again, when you're out and about in the daytime, you want to be elevated, a little bit higher. You know, give you that luxury scent. Yes, indeed. Mission accomplished. I love it. When am I gonna be rocking this one? When am I gonna be? When the boardwalk's gonna be packed, concerts gonna be pumping, the heat is gonna be not heating up like that. It's gonna be hot, but not scorching. Yes, this is what I will be wearing. And up to this point of me smelling this, I've never smelled this on anybody else. And look, there you go, dropping shit, dude. But luckily it's just the top, The gang, this is good, gang. This is lovely. This is what you need. $45? And it's matching up with Louis Vuitton Imagination. Again, I never smelled Imagination. Never smelled the Louis Vuitton fragrance. But I will tell you, if it smells anything better than this, anything close to this, yes sir. So, it's definitely worth adding into your collection. You know, as a matter of fact, let's hit the notes real quick. Let me show you what the notes. Let's read off the notes. Main accords, top 5 style, fresh, spicy, amber, citrus, fresh, woody. Top notes, bergamot, lemon, Sicilian orange, Nigerian ginger, cinnamon, neroli. Base notes of ambroxan, Chinese black tea, black tin, olibanum, and guaiac wood are your notes. Well, Richie Blue, do you like it? I love it. Oh, look at that spread. Oh, smelling like that Chinese black tea is what I smell right off the rip. And it's amazing, gang. Scent smells like it's gonna be perfect for the summer. Now, is it a one-to-one of LV Imagination? Well, like I said earlier, I never smelled LV Imagination. But if it smells anything like this, I understand the hype. I see why people going crazy over Imagination, and I hope this smells like it, because this smells amazing, fantastic, great for the summer. And you know, and it's so good that you can rock this every day. Just imagine rocking this every day. And you only spent $45 on the scent. Gang, it's definitely worth it. Oh, now, projection. Is it beast mode? Is it gonna walk by and knock people over? No, it's not gonna do that. But when you walk by, it's gonna turn their head. They're gonna be like, oh, that smells good. What do you have on, sir? Please let me know. I want to buy it right now. Especially when you're going to be walking down that beach. When you're going to be on that boat, out in the ocean, enjoying some cocktails, having a grand day, and you're going to be rocking this here? Marwa? From Arabiyat? Oh, I said that. I butchered that name. Arabiyat Prestige? They're not gonna be ready for you. They're not gonna be ready for you, gang. It is definitely worth the price tag of $45. Oh, I love it. And it's gonna last you that whole trip. While that whole time you're gonna be walking down the boardwalk, the whole time you're gonna be hanging out at the wedding, this here is gonna be with you, and it's gonna be a head turner. They're gonna love it. I'm proud. I'm happy that I was able to secure this finally. The wait is over. And I got a nice joint. Marwa. Arabiyat Prestige. Lovely, luxury, clean, scent, sophisticated. And you know me, I love to be different. I love to be sophisticated. I love to give off luxury. That's what I like to do. And this is what this fragrance gives you. And you can rock this every day. Every day during the summer and spring. Oh, y'all, wait, they're not ready. They're not ready. So, gang, that's the video. Marwa is definitely a must-have fragrance. Please add it to your collection. It's definitely well worth it. Now, if you enjoyed the video, you like the content, you want to get some more dimes to add to your collection, come talk to your boy. Subscribe. Hit that like button and drop some comments down about if you already have Marwa and how you like it. Better yet, if you got that LV imagination, drop some comments down below and let's talk about it. Until next time, gang, fam, we gonna use a new word, we're using fam. I'll check you later, fam. Until next time, frag out. You know, when you stick with your boy Blue, he gonna give you something new, something exclusive, something that everybody not rocking.